You see, the thing I find with Chuki is that, oddly enough, she's a singer. Hmm. Bet you didn't know about that about her, but well, that's what her wiki says. But so I'm not going to argue about that. But of course, that's not a full-time job. That's part-time, of course. But I cannot sing, so fair play to Chuki for singing and all that. But apart from singing, she's a news reporter for I think OEM News. She's seen where she's seen in the scene where Lightning McQueen goes missing, and all the reporters are reporting on it. I think Jay Limo. There's Dan Sklarkenberg. Why can't I think of anyone else? Oh, that Talk Wrench? No. Is that the wrong one? No. I don't know. Why can't I think? Still carrying on. She is based on a K11 Micra, supposedly. Personally, I cannot see the resemblance. It looks like one of those K cars, and FYI, the Micra is not a K car. Still, let's have a closer look at her. Just because why not? This is a review, after all. So she got a nice, happy expression. Wow, as all new reporters should. Even though inside they're probably quite the opposite, I should have thought, because, wow, they're talking loads of nonsense they are, most of the time. Especially if you live in the UK. Because I'm telling you, the news over here in the UK is real bad. Because even worse than in the US. The politics in particular is terrible. Not sure if you guys have heard, but Sakia Starmer is one of those people I heard. Don't know a whole lot about politics, but I think I know that. Still, she got a nice happy expression, got a little smirk going on. I wonder why. She's got brown eyes with a glint in her eyes, a sort of reflection, Is glint even the correct word? No idea. Still, she got 5 spoke rims, with, the axles. I think those are the axles, which also resemble centre caps too. And then she's very rounded, very bubbly. What does the number plate say? T6ID 335. Is that what it says? I think that's what it says. She has an exhaust as well. And yeah, overall she's just a pretty cool car. Have a great day, folks. Have a great day, folks. Sorry about that.